how to add captions and subtitles on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can add captions and subtitles to a TikTok video using TikTok app. So let's get into it. First of all, we're going to actually open up our TikTok and we'll get to our profile. So I have already prepared a draft, so I'm just gonna open it up. So this is the video right here. It's a simple blank video. It's actually a 15-second video that is playing. Now I need to add a subtitle or a caption. Now it can be a voiceover I did, or it can be a music and I want to add the lyrics. So we can do that within our TikTok app really easily. For that, we have to play around with text. So first of all, you're gonna go to the text right here and enter the first text you want to go for. So let's say I actually have a voiceover in the background of this video and I want to add the captions or the subtitles for it. So I will actually listen to the sound and then type in the first sentence. Now you can see this is the first line that I'm saying in the video. So you can change your text. I'm gonna go with maybe this one, the classic, and we can change the color. So I'm gonna go with the yellow color because it looks really good for these subtitles. So we click on done. Once you click on done, then you can place your text wherever you want it to be. So I want it to be in at the bottom here. Now you're gonna click the text and you have to select set duration. Now you need to just select the duration where you're saying the sentence. So I actually said it in the first 2 seconds. So I'm gonna quickly adjust the timing. It's where I'm saying 2.2, perfect. So this is where I'm saying, hi guys, how are you? So I'm gonna, done it. So after that, it will vanish. Now, the next sentence I say is welcome back. So I'm going to type that in. Again, change the color. Place the text at the same place where we have the first one and place it here. Now again, I'm going to click on set duration. And this time, I'm going to actually start this text. The first one was 2.2 seconds, like this, right? So now from 2.3, you can see at the bottom from where I'm starting. So from 2.3 till actually again till 5 for 2.8 seconds I'm saying, actually for 1.8 seconds I'm saying welcome back. So I'm gonna click done, and now you can see that text will vanish. So it will be one by one. I will similarly add another text. Let's say let's get started, third sentence. Again, click on done, place it again, and then we're gonna select the text, click on set duration, and this time we will be selecting from here, and then we'll just select like this. So you can see now this is actually the captions that we have added on this video, and the text will appear one by one as I'm saying this sentence. So it's very easy, little complicated, just you have to play around with the text and the duration, and you can see this is what it looks like. It looks like a subtitle and a caption. I didn't use any third-party tool, anything. We just used TikTok to create these subtitles or these captions. Click on next, click on save, and your TikTok is ready. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.